Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we will see on-hand session on Ansible. This is the AWS console. Here we have created two instances. One is target node and another is the Ansible master. So I have logged into master and the target node. We have to do passwordless authentication in order to make any installations or any changes on the managed node. To make the changes, after logging into the master, SSH keygen. No, this is the issue. SSH hyphen keygen. It will ask where it need to be saved. Press enter. I have already generated, hence it is saying override. For you, you just need to press enter. Enter passphrase empty for no passphrase. Enter. Enter same passphrase again. Enter. It got generated. Now cat. Copy this public key generated ID. Copy this. I'm in the home path. vi.ssh authorized keys. Whatever are present, just insert the copied one. Escape, save. Now SSH to this private IP address of the target node. This is the private IP address. It has now SSH'd into it without any password. So the testing is good. Now we came back to master again. Now let's try to install Nginx on the managed server. Let's test if we can create any file. For that, first install Ansible, sudo apt update for updating the packages. It's done. Sudo apt install Ansible. It's done. Ansible hyphen version. It got installed. Create a directory Ansible demo. Go to that path. I have created one more. Remove that. Now cd Ansible demo. Currently it is empty. Let's create inventory. In the inventory, just add the private IP address of the target node. Escape. Save. Now let's run Ansible One ad hoc command for testing, -i inventory all, inside the inventory all hosts we are saying, -m, which is the module. We are using shell module, -a touch Ansible demo. So this means it is successful, it got changed. Let's check whether it got created anything. Yes, Ansible demo got created. We can then let's check df-a. This is the file system of managed server. It's done. That is the ad hoc. Now let's try to install Nginx and restart Nginx. vi demo playbook.yml. We should start YML with hyphen hyphen hyphen, enter hyphen. Let's give it a name, install and start Nginx. Host all, become root, tasks, let's first install Nginx. We can either install using shell, or we can use apt module apt name which we want to install Nginx, state present. This is to install. Again, we have to start Nginx. Name start Nginx. Now we are using service module. Name Nginx. State started. Let's save this. To run this, Ansible -playbook -i inventory, demo playbook .yaml. Okay, some issue. The value root is not a valid boolean. Come or became. Let's try with became. Became is not a valid attribute. That means become only. The field become has invalid value root and could not be converted to a boolean. While gathering the facts, it's having some issue. Did we miss something? Here the issue is here we have to give become true. Instead I gave root hence it was failing. Okay, there are some issues. It got failed. This IP address is not found. PI inventory. Let's give this. Maybe because of the private IP address it is not allowing. Again, this IP address is not found. From where this IP address came in picture. Let's try do one thing. Copy this. Let's check in chat GPT. So the issue is we need to find the right APT. Okay, that's the issue. The .debian files no longer exist in the Ubuntu meters. That's the issue. Copy. Instead of this, let's try now. Same issue. Okay, that's the issue. Apt update we need to do. We are not doing that. Without apt update, it will fail. Okay, let's try this. Okay, gathered the facts, installed, it started. Now install Nginx task. It's done. We can check the status here. Sudo systemctl status Nginx. It is started and it is running. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.